So it's so easy to overlook the snow that we have tonight because we keep thinking about the
cold.
super cold temperatures around
polar
the corner.
vortex coming this way, right? I know.
Boo.
Such a buzzword years ago, but we've seen it 80 times since, so no big deal, right? Yeah, so we've got snow tonight, so we'll cover that first, Lena. This is going to be a quick hit, and I think this is going to be pretty impactful if you're out driving tonight, maybe a third shift worker, or if you have plans early tomorrow morning. It's not going to last long, but some of these snowfall rates are pretty impressive. As you can see here on the radar, we go from nothing to some of these heavier snow bands working in from the west. Everyone's going to get the snow tonight across northern Ohio. Some of you are going to end up, I think, with over 2 inches. Most of us falling in the inch to 2 inch range, but it's going to happen quickly. So heavy snow right now. These darker blues, that indicates really, really heavy snow falling just offshore near Lorain there. You can see all of Lorain County packing in the snow, now sneaking into southern Cuyahoga County. Strongsville, Parma, you're getting into it as well. Akron up towards the falls, heading over towards the Hudson area. Even Stowe getting some heavier snow as well. This is all heading north and east, so you're next there in Solon. And then Canton, you've been in and out of the snow. We've got some of the heavier snow down towards Millersburg, the Worcester area heading up towards Smithville. All of this heading north and east, so Ashtabula, Lake Geauga County, you're not seeing it yet, but you will hear shortly. Winds, yeah, that's kind of adding to it out there. They're gusting out of the south. This is a warm wind. You wouldn't guess it if you're feeling outside, but this is going to cause some of the blowing and drifting snow, making it kind of messy as we go through the overnight as well. But look how long it lasts. Not long at all. I think another 3 to 5 hours max. You can see how we're starting to say goodbye to the snow by 5 a.m. So that gives ODOTs a chance to clean up tomorrow morning, but temperatures not going to help them out. In fact, we peak tonight. Temps going up tonight to around freezing as we get that warm push, but then behind it, they're going to crash tomorrow back into the teens where they were for much of the day today in the 20s and the teens. So a cold Sunday on tap, but it should be relatively dry beyond that. And our futurecast agrees. You can see the leftover snow showers around 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, then exiting off to the east. Tomorrow's going to look like this. Our clouds are eventually going to vacate the area. I think we'll see some sunshine, colder temperatures, but we are going to hang on to some lake effect snow showers. Areas of Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties tomorrow won't be anything to write home about, but again, we will see some flakes flying throughout the day. Most of us clear out, temps in the teens, and a very quiet Sunday afternoon and evening takes hold of the area. How much snow? Models saying, yeah, about an inch or two, so I tend to agree with that, and that is through tomorrow morning. Beyond that, we talk cold air. So what do we need? Well, it's sitting up in Canada now, but we need an area of low pressure, or don't need an area of low pressure, to kind of head by and pull that air down, and that's exactly what our low is going to do. That moves through Monday and Tuesday. That could bring some snow to the area as well, but the big story behind that is the cold air just unleashes on us as we get this lobe of the polar vortex in the area. The good news is models over the last 2 days have been trending a little bit warmer. I don't want to say the word warm, let's say more mild as we go into Thursday, Friday. So it looks like Wednesday is really the brutal day. Thursday's cold as well, but we will start to moderate pretty quickly. So let's put some numbers on it. These are model numbers. Notice Tuesday morning at 1 a.m., we're at 34 degrees. Watch what happens as we go throughout the day. We're down to near zero by Tuesday night. That's the day of change. And then look at some of these wind chills. We're still saying almost minus 60 off to the west. That's where the core of this is going to be. We're talking minus 5 on Wednesday, and we don't get out of the below zero category, but a quick moderation after that. And you'll see that in Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. There's a -1 for a high on Wednesday, back up to 5 on Thursday, though, and then 18 by Friday. I had as close as 0 earlier in the week, so a nice recovery on that. And Lena, we may be back up into the 40s. One model says 60 next Monday. Come on, what a recovery.